In this video, I am going to show you how to edit mobile site on Wix. So let's see how we can do it. So this is the website that we have created using Wix and it's looking good on the desktop. And now we are going to edit this site on the mobile. So from the top, we are going to select switch to mobile. And here we will see the mobile phone preview. You can customize each and every part of your website for the mobile phone as well. Let's see how we can do it. So at first we have the header, and as you can see that our header is not looking good. Our cart is overlapping our logo. So now we are going to fix it. So we will change the position of this call now and cart button. So we are going to select this button and drag it down. Now select this cart button and move it down. And as you can see that our header is now looking good. You can do the other settings for your header as well. Just select the header and then click on settings. And here we have few settings for the header as well. We cannot delete anything from the mobile site, because if I delete this button from the mobile site, it will be also deleted from the desktop site. So let's say if you want to get rid of something on the mobile phone, just select it and then click on this hide element button and it will be hidden from the mobile phone. And to view the items that are hidden from your mobile site, just click on this hide elements button. And here you will see all the items that are hidden from your mobile site. Same like the desktop site, you can do all the settings for your mobile site as well. Here we can see that we have extra spacing. So to remove it, just hold it from here and move it up. As you can see that our extra spacing is now removed. We have also mobile tools as well. You can add quick action bar to your mobile site, back to top button, and also you can change your browser theme color. After that, you can also change the background color of your mobile site as well. And if you want to add new elements to your mobile site, then select add elements from the top, add an element to your site. And now you can edit this from here, and this element will not visible on the desktop site. Let's switch to desktop site and check it out. And as you can see that our element is not visible here. So this is how you can edit your mobile site on Wix. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.